This is going to be a really boring video because right now the world is very boring, especially if you just ignore a particular country in the world right now. Anyway, so yes, this is just me showing how cool these lights are. Got them from IKEA, and basically, right, so I can turn off the big light, which is up the top there, by just pressing here, and it just goes off. And this is all on the power screen for the new Android 11. It's so cool. And then say I want to turn it on, I can turn it on, and then I can change how bright it is just by clicking and dragging. It's so cool. And then for this bedside light, which is, you know, the white one over there, I can, let's turn off the big light. Turn off the big light, yeah. And then I can do the same, so I can drag it and it changes the brightness. And then if I want more control, I can press and hold it, and it brings up all the information, so I can dim it, turn it off, turn it back on, and change the color to these. If it was like a really RGB bulb, I could change all the colors, but honestly, this is one of the coolest things I think I've ever seen. Oh my god, I love it so much. So let's turn it all the way back up, close this, and turn on the big light again. It's so cool! Anyway, next week's video might be more interesting. I'm not sure. Anyway, adios!